is a network of network. It consists of private, public or government network. ኢንተርኔት ማለት ኔትወርክ ኦፍ ኔትወርክ ነው። that consists private, public ምናምን ነው። the internet can also defined as a collection of computer. ኢንተርኔት ማለት በቃ collection of computer ማለት ይችላል። all connected together እና ሁሉም የሚገናኙበት to share access information ምናምን ለመቀባበል globally. A computer network is a group of computer connected to each other. ይገናኛሉ ሁሉም ኔትወርክ difference with internet and network. The internet is a global network of network while the web is a